Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TLS HTTPS settings for Cloudflare proxied VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the SSL/TLS section in the dashboard. Check the current SSL status of your domain. If it is set to flexible, change it to full or full, strict, full, strict. Next, go to the DNS section. Ensure that your domains or records are proxy through Cloudflare. This is indicated by an orange cloud icon next to the A records. If the cloud is gray, click to toggle it to orange. Now, access your VPS control panel. Log in using your SSH credentials. Once logged in, check if a valid SSL certificate is installed. You can use tools like certbot to manage SSL certificates. If you don't have certbot installed, use the package manager for your OS to install it. Run the certbot command to obtain a new SSL certificate. Make sure to specify your domain name during the setup. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After the SSL certificate is installed, configure your web server. For Apache, ensure that the SSL module is enabled. Use the following command to enable the SSL module, sudo a2nmod ssl. Then, update the Apache configuration file to point to your new certificate. For Nginx, ensure that the server block includes the correct paths to the SSL certificate and key. Restart your web server to apply the changes. Back in your Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to the crypto section. Set the Always Use HTTPS option to On. Enable automatic HTTPS rewrites for safer URL redirection. Test your website to ensure it loads securely with HTTPS. Use tools like SSL Labs to analyze your SSL installation. Look for any warnings or errors and address them accordingly. Finally, regularly check your SSL certificate's expiration date. Set reminders for renewal to maintain secure HTTPS settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.